Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Kindly comment, kindly like, kindly subscribe. I love you guys. Today we are going to be cooking palm oil rice. Yes, palm oil rice. The first thing I've done, I added my palm oil inside the pot, and I started a bit of our onions, and I'm adding the locust beans. Yes, I like doing this so that it will bring out more flavor. Now the next thing we are going to be adding, we are going to be adding our Kpomo, which is not cow skin, and our Shawa. Yes, I'm adding my minced pepper and my Maggi. So after this, I'm going to stir together, and before that, I'm going to add salt. Yes, I'm going to add a salt, which I'm doing now. Now the next thing I'm going to add is crayfish. Yes, dry crayfish. Yeah, depending on how you just want it. Yes, now I'm adding my rice. As you can see, it's coming up. Yes, it's coming up. I've added water, a bit of water, and I'm stirring now. Yes, please, you can try this. Anything, just try it and see how it tastes. Now the next time I'm going to add more water. Yes, and let's cover it. Oh, before you open your eyes and open it, a palm oil rice is ready to eat. Okay, thank you so much. I love you guys. Please kindly comment, kindly like, kindly subscribe. Your subscription, your comment keep me going. Bye. Love you.